So this is a free weight barbell squat. What we are going to start off by doing is lining off your barbell at shoulder height. So the way that you'll kind of figure that out is by standing in close to either pal, and we just want to kind of get our shoulder up to the rough estimated height and then go one above that where you're placing in your little pulleys, okay? So as you're stepping in towards your barbell, you're going to go fingertips on the textured part of your bar. So as you can see, there's different textures on your bar. You want to go in from the soft part straight on top of your textured part. Nice tight grip from there. And then we're going to bring our head under, step through with our lovely tight grip. And this is going to create a shelf for our traps to make, so that way our barbell can sit on them comfortably. And we're actually using that to support our movement rather than having it lay on top of our neck. So we should have a really nice tight grip in under the armpits, elbows pointing slightly behind us. And from there, 2 feet want to come nice and tight together. 3, 2, 1, he takes a big stand. And now we've got space to move back to go into our first rep. If we start to move forward to walk in away from our pad here, it can just cause a little bit of irritation to fall back, to drop our weight. So we always kind of want to move backwards and then finish by walking forwards to drop your bar. So for our movement, chest tall, eyes forward, straight in front, and just like our hip alignment positioning, we want to keep our legs straight down from hip and a slight angle of our toe out, just like Kyle has now. So from here, we're going to keep the eyes forward and we're going to bend the knee to push over the toe rather than forcing our hips back. So 3, 2, 1, going into our first movement. As you can see, his hips naturally sit back anyway, but he's focusing on that knee pushing forward to get him down. So that way all his weight is pushing through his legs rather than keeping too much pressure on his back, relying on that too much. So going down into his movement, taking 2, 1 to get down, and a big press up through the leg. Chest stays nice and tall, bar moves in a straight line, perfect rep. Once he's finished his set, he's gonna walk forward, straight in towards his bar, and drop his weight.